Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 4.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US chip stocks added to a string of losses, with Wall Street's main semiconductor benchmark tumbling from record highs following its strongest year since 2009, when the sector bounced back after the financial crisis. European markets fell sharply, extending a gloomy start to New Year trading. The Stoxx 600 index closed down 0.9% following a mixed trading session. Food and beverage stocks ended up 0.2%, while construction and material fell 2.9% and technology declined 1.9%. Circle's USDC dollar-pegged stablecoin fell to as low as $0.74 of a dollar on 3 separate occasions following a market-wide sell-off spurred by a report casting doubt over whether a spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved this month. It immediately snapped back to its $1 peg on Binance.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT, Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1300 hours GMT. Spain's 30Y bond auction will be released at 0940 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.